Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing bag 24 from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So let's see what's inside. Well, it's Christmas Eve already, so we're on bag 24. Let's see what it is. I think it's a notion of some sort, so let's just see what that notion is, I guess. What is it? A magnetic spool pin holder and includes 12 pins. Interesting. Let's see. So it does feel like a real thread. It's really cute. Since we already got the pins before, I don't know how excited I am about it, and a different pin holder. It's really cute though. It's more, I think, a knick-knack than usable, since you're not really going to be able to fit a ton of threads in here. I don't know how magnetic it really, it's pretty good. Let's see, they're sharper than the other ones we got from them. It's cute. I can't say that I'm super excited about it. Like, this is like, whoa, this is what we got. Somebody suggested that it might be the invisible thread that Jenny shows a lot. I was kind of hoping for that when they had brought that up, because I thought that was a really smart guess. So it's okay. It's not the worst thing I was ever gifted, but I can't say that I'm super excited about it, since we already got pins and we already got a pin holder. So there we go. There is that, and let me maybe still be in. So on day 23, we got that Dresden template and pattern. The template is on the site for $4, and then there are some Dresden patterns on there for $5. So I put the value of day 23 at $9. That brings the value of the box up to $219.75. Tomorrow I'll be able to tell you what the value of this one is, if I can find something similar. And Christmas, we'll be looking at what's in here. I have been so curious about what is in this box, and I've been hoping it's some sort of a kit. But when I shake it, there's a lot of little pieces that move around. And somebody in the comments on one of the videos, I don't remember what video it is or who it was, said they thought it was a jigsaw puzzle. And I really think they're right. I love jigsaw puzzles. I do a lot of puzzles. I have done a lot of puzzles. I think they're a lot of fun. With that said, if this is a puzzle, I don't know how excited I'll be about that. I love puzzles, but as a grand finale for a quilt box, I don't know how happy I would be about that. Even if it is a quilt puzzle, even if it's a beautiful puzzle, I think I will be kind of bummed. I will still do the puzzle. I love puzzles, but I don't know how I think I would wish for something else. So yeah, I think they're right from the sound of it. I don't know if you can hear it, but we'll see. We could be wrong. I could be wrong. She could be wrong. It could be something completely different. Who knows? Let me know what you think it might be. I would love to hear all the guesses. I think it's so much fun seeing what people think it might be, and especially getting different ideas on what might be in the boxes. So we'll take a look at that tomorrow. And again, that video will post at 1 p.m. rather than 6 a.m. and it will be a premiere so that I can chat live with you. I have a few things planned for that video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's a little bit about some of my history with quilting, and I think it should be fun. And I'll also be putting the keyword in that you need to use to enter the giveaway for all of those quilt items that I showed you before, and a few other things that I hope to put in there as a surprise. So you guys, I will see you here tomorrow on Christmas. Have a good Christmas Eve. Enjoy spending time with your family tomorrow. I know that you may not be able to hop on the premiere, But be sure to jump on when you can. That video will be up indefinitely, but it'll only be open for comments until New Year's Day, and then it will be closed for entering into the giveaway. So again, enjoy time with your family, guys. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.